I just want to do a quick video on this 1970 Plymouth CUDA 440 6-pack. This is a true V-code with shaker. I have this car completely decoded. This is a original numbers matching 440 V-code. I have all the VIN stamps off of the engine, off of the transmission, which is a 4-speed, pistol grip shifter, drag pack. I mean, this is the real car. I have the production sheet right out of the factory on this car, so I'll be posting those photos as well. So I wanted to do just kind of a quick walk around, tell you a few things about the car. What's really rare about this car at the moment, you see I got some boxes of parts over here. This car currently has Phytec fuel injection on it. And let's just kind of start with that. This is the Phytec system and an MSD ignition system. We have all the original parts to take it back to the 6-pack. Here's the original carburetors, all 3 of them, sitting here in this box. The original distributor. So this can easily be converted back. Also wanted to pop the trunk here just so you can see inside the trunk. I had the hood pins pulled already. This car was factory hood pins. Here's your MSD. But again, we have the original. Rally gauges. Idling at about 800, right where you'd want it. The clock does not appear to be working at the moment, so just bank on that. It is wood grain. That is one of the option codes you'll break down and see on the car. Does have the true carb air choke pull, the vents. Does have a reverse light that works. Original stereo, AM. The interior is what I would say well above average. I mean, it's obviously been restored. I have lots of photos of this car during restoration, by the way. It's not a trailer queen restoration. It is good. The interior is worth not having to touch anything. I mean, it's been done nice. The outside, a few things I'd probably go back and redo if it was me. By the way, this car was not sassy grass green originally. This was ivy green. So whoever had this car previously obviously wanted to paint this sassy grass green, but it is not. Beautiful car. I have a lot more description. Again, I have the original broadcast sheet. It is a true V code. Everything is original numbers matching to this car, all the way down to the rear differential. Let me know if I can help you further.